I'm gonna do a running start, so.
Hang on. Ready, get ready, get ready. Okay, babe, watch out. Okay.
She's in a good stance. Maybe she'll kill it.
Okay.
Okay, you have to watch where
I'm so scared right
You have
now.
to watch where it lands.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah, go.
How did I do this before?
I don't even know.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
You missed.
Okay, pick it up, give it to me.
Don't throw it. You have to like.
Oh, here you go. Ready?
Yep.
Let's go. It's right there.
I'm not gonna smash your pictures. Or do you want me to?
Get the fuck off there. Hey, you.
Do you want me to smash it?
Where the fuck did he go? Oh my god. Oh my, where'd he go? Where are you?
Oh shit, did it drop? I think it dropped.
Where'd it drop?
I think it dropped right down by the...
Okay, get it. It's not on there. Look for movement, look for movement.
No, it's not down there.
What if it lands on my bed?
I don't even know. I don't know where the fuck it went.
Should we like take that thing off the wall?
Do it.
I'm not touching that. Okay. Okay. Wait, we're gonna check my bag real fast.
I'm almost positive it didn't land on the bed because I thought something landed down here.
Okay. Okay, what if it like crawls back up onto my bed? Why didn't you kill it right the first time?
Because it didn't go on the ground, it fell in a picture. And I'm not going to smash your wall.
I'm like looking for like movement right now.
Move the thing. Because then if it's not under the thing, we know it's in danger zone.
Okay, I need like high heel shoes to like make sure I don't step on it.
Stepping on it. Do you want to smash it? I'll remove it if you smash it.
Yes.
Okay.
I'll
How
get
do
to smash it.
how do I remove it?
Okay, I think you can just take it off the wall. Okay, I'm like looking for like legitimate movement though.
Oh my god.
Okay, you're like sketching me out, man.
Oh shit. That's the first thing I can... Is it on this thing?
No.
Fuck.
No. Whew.
That means...
Oh! Oh my god! Die!
Oh my god! Did you get it? You know what's the best part about this entire thing? What? You know we were talking when I first got here, we were talking about if we had the balls to kill somebody. We officially do. We officially just fucked up that bug's ass.
For sure. We had that bug. We made that.
Oh my.
Whew.
Did you see me jump off the bed? I look like Spider-Man.
That was the scariest shit of my life.
Oh my god.